and dedicated patriotism whose ability, professionalism, and dedication was self-evident. He is passing away, and that of other gallant military personnel has saddened me deeply, and the nation so much more. As we gather here, I want to urge all of us to learn the lessons, the many lessons that General Ogolla leaves behind. I want to assure Mama Eileen and your children and family that the government of Kenya and myself personally will be there to make sure that General not only gets a decent send-off, but also his family will be looked after by the people of Kenya in honor of the great service General Ogolla gave to this country. Finally, when General came to brief me about where he was going to go, and eventually he told me this Sunday in Siaya at the Anglican Church that they had built as a family, the Bishop of ACK, the Archbishop, would be there to consecrate the church. It now looks like the consecration